Okay, so after spawning HEROBRINE in Minecraft, this happened. This. The clock fell. You might wonder what's that sound. The clock fell. From there up, it fell like this. And it doesn't even have this thing. The swinging thing. So, oh crap. It's heavy. So, it's 8.5. No, it's not. Actually, check out my old gaming mouse. 6 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, of course. Why not? And that happened. It's the mirror. Why not check out the outside? It's night. It's night, so check out if there's someone on. We've got an 8x scope, just like in PUBG. Can you focus, Mr. Camera? No? Okay. Okay, you can focus now, I guess. That's a scooter. There's someone. No. Alright, that's great. Because it fell down and I was like, wait, what? Did HEROBRINE came in my house? And I put it like this. It actually fell from this. It's still stick. Ow, ow, ow. I was so stupid. I just pressed it in here. Look at that portrait mode. Look. Look at that portrait mode. Look at the background. It's so blurry because it's in portrait mode. Look at that. And check out that. Okay. So it was here. Right here. Not here. It was there. There up. There up. Like this. And it fell down like this. Look, it's so strong. And it fell down like this. And it happened. I was playing here. Right here. Let's check out. Anything's here? There's nothing. There's a freaking Thanos. Hey, Thanos, if you snap, I'll cut your head. I'll cut your freaking head. And who will destroy you? Do you even guess? No one will destroy you? I guess someone will. Who is this? The Hulk. Okay, great. So done for that. There's nothing more. There's absolutely nothing. Okay, I'm gonna end the video. I was just shocked that my clock fell because I think HEROBRINE was in my home. Crap.